Hi, I'm Megalodron with 2Gay BFFs, and I'm gonna play the Guess the Mariah Carey song in 1 second challenge. Mariah is the queen of my life, and she is a musical genius, and her voice is heaven to me. So that's all. Let's see if I can remember her songs in 1 second talaga. Grabe. You guys are gonna expose me like a fake fan. All I Want for Christmas. We're on the easy ones though, so let's see how. Emotion, Hero. There's three that come to mind. There's Baby Doll from the Butterfly album. There's okay, five come to mind. There's Underneath the Stars, 4th of July, Clown, and right now The One. So these are very deep cut. Underneath the Stars. Paano ko ba nakilala siya? Hindi ko siya nakilala like sa totoong buhay, obviously. But I mean she's so like popular even nung bata pa tayo eh. Pero I never really paid attention to her until I found this song, Underneath the Stars. Nakita ko rin sa YouTube. And then I was like so in love with just the writing and the harmonies, and hindi ko na-gets kasi yung mga alam lang natin is like the We Belong Together, Don't Forget About Us, which are all like great songs. Pero yung mga deep cuts niya kasi sobrang makikita mo yung breadth of like musical genius niya. Like, grabe siya.
And I was like,
why are you so obsessed with me? No. It's my favorite song. So my favorite era of Mariah Carey. I would say Butterfly and Caution. Butterfly because I feel like dun siya, like no pun intended, dun siya lumipad in terms of style niya, pati yung experimentation niya with harmonies, pati yung experimentation niya with the textures na kaya ng boses niya. Love Takes Time. Can't take that away. Stay the night. I Stay in Love. Oh, that's my least favorite Mariah album. I just feel like she veered to like clean pop. Yung gusto ko kay Mariah, yung medyo may grime, may dumi. Pero ang dumi ng Emancipation like it's like so raw and grimy. Madami siyang parts dun sa Emancipation na hindi niya pitch correct. It's like the raw vocal. Ang ganda ng effect. It sounds like it's a live moment na. Dalawa Say Something, which not everyone likes. Tsaka Shake It Off.
Sayang din yung Shake It Off, hindi nag-number 1. Kasi she blocked
blocked
herself.
eh.
She blocked herself
From number 1.
from number 1. Only Mariah can do that. Not everyone can have that.
Not everyone can have that, you know. Favorite yun. Bilis niya, no?
back to the Billboard Hot 100 #1 song, which you just performed, which is difficult to get. Not everybody has that.
Not everyone has that to their credit. 4th of July. Lead the way. Fan pala talaga ako. Forever. Can you do it again? Sorry. Pwede magtanong which album?
Debut.
Prisoner.
And
Hindi ako masyado sobrang like fan sa first album. Type Dangerous. Me and Mariah Type Dangerous. Okay, dun tayo sa but Daydream. Fantasy, I Am Free. Fuck. Ang hirap pag nag-ano ka. Okay, not the way. Fuck, Butterfly. Butterfly na lang. Butterfly, fuck. The Roof. Outside. Fuck. Ang hirap. My All. Sige. Okay, parin mo na lang. Heartbreaker. Friend, ex-girlfriend. Glitter, sige, glitter. Lead the way. Loverboy. Sige, Through the Rain. Hirap. I Know What You Want. Okay, so, okay. We Belong Together. Don't Forget About Us. Joyride. Clown. The One. My Saving Grace. Fly Like a Bird. Shit. Shake It Off. Sige. Ba't naman yung caution? No. Caution. Actually, nagtatalo yung caution tsaka no for favorite song for me. Distance. Merry Christmas. All I Want for Christmas is You. Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Silent Night. Miss You Most. Shit, nasa 32 pa lang tayo. Emotions. Something that you do. Hindi ko maalala yung title eh. Naalala ko yung debut. Okay, Vision of Love. Can't Let Go. Love Takes Time. Stay. Ano kayong mga number ones? Prisoner. Make It Happen. Anytime You Need a Friend. Hero. Lover. Oh my. Lalay. One Sweet Day. Memoir is I Hate You. Hindi ko alam paano yung spelling nun. Siya kanta yun parang It's a rap. May isang okay, Touch My Body. Migrate. Sinabi siyang old na kanta. Ano yun? Yung parang sobrang sexy niya. Nakahubad siya. Tapos parang fucking swamp siya or something. Okay. Emancipation, Your Girl. Shit, nagbablanko na ako. I'm a fake fan. Okay. May ano siya, diba? May parang I'm making a statement of my own opinion. Yung lead single niya dun sa Letting Go. Art of Letting Go. Tsaka meron siya parang disco track dun na parang don't know what to do. Okay, Merry Christmas to you. Ano yun? Remember tell me? Hindi, sana Tangin ko sama yun. Oh, Come Only Faithful. Here Comes Santa Claus. Ang ganda kasi na album na yun eh. It was wrong. Ano yun sa caution? With you. Without you. Get the fuck out. Portrait. Stay long love you. One More Again. Tapos yung isang gustong gusto ko yung parang Blood Orange yung collaborator yung Giving Me Life. Okay. 2 minutes na lang. Shit. After tonight. Will you remember? Troubled I only wanted Charm Bracelet. Boy, I Need You. Sa memoirs. Obsessed, diba? Tag beautiful. Pangina. Kasi may hashtag. About my face. Gusto ko yung kanta. 4th of July, tsaka Baby Doll. Kaya mga favorite songs. Hindi ako natutuwa kasi ang dami kong favorite na songs na hindi ko naisip yung title. That was me playing the Mariah Carey game with 2K BFFs. And please watch Some Nights I Feel Like Walking at Q Cinema this month on June 26.